If you're a small business owner in 2019, you more than likely have a Facebook business page. While there are many ways that you can customize your Facebook business page, there is one in particular that is the most obvious and yet the most overlooked: customizing your Facebook cover photo. Now, when I say customizing, I don't mean just finding a photo that you like and using it as your cover photo. I mean actually tweaking your cover photo to get more mileage out of it. Using it to promote your products or services, encouraging a click to your website, or leading people to join your mailing list. Hi y'all, I'm Vivian Walton, the Seasoned Marketer, and my channel is all about sharing marketing tips, tools, and tactics with resourceful business owners. In this video, I'll share some real simple ways that you can squeeze more out of your Facebook cover photo and use it to drive traffic to whatever marketing initiative that you're looking to promote or grow. Today, I'm sharing some really simple ways to squeeze more out of your Facebook cover photo and use it to drive traffic to whatever marketing initiative that you're looking to promote or grow. So first, let's talk about why you would want to update your Facebook cover photo. Some of you may be saying, Vivian, I already have a cover photo and it's fine. It's a picture of my store or a picture of my team. Well, I can tell you that you're missing out on a really great opportunity. Your Facebook cover photo is prime real estate. And the reason you want to update your cover photo often is twofold. Number one, every single time that you update your cover photo, a notification appears on your followers' feed, which means it's another opportunity for you to put more information in front of your captive audience. Number two, whenever someone new checks out your page, your cover photo is naturally the first thing their eye is drawn to because it's the horizontal banner that is at the top of their screen. You might as well use it to your advantage and use that space to promote your products or services, not just as a holder for another picture. So how exactly do you go about customizing this prime piece of real estate to your advantage and really squeezing the most out of it? First, decide which of the following you want your photo to do: promote your products or services, encourage a click to your website, encourage people to join your mailing list, or watch a video. Next, design your cover photo. Decide what you want the background image to be. This can be a picture of you, your team, your product, or any other image that is relevant to your business. Then use text, icons, or images to help promote the desired promotion or whatever you are wanting to push. Here are 3 really great examples of businesses that have customized their Facebook cover photos to work harder for them. Now, if you don't know how to overlay text onto an image or how to add icons, don't worry, you know I'll help you out with that too. In my next video, I'll walk you through step by step how to physically design your cover photo without having to dish out any money. After you design your cover photo, you'll want to be sure to add a description. This is extremely important because this information will appear on your followers' feed whenever they see the notification pop up that you have changed your cover photo. Also, this is where you can place links to external sites that can help your audience get more information about whatever you're promoting. And for those that may not be following you on your business page, but are looking at it, when they click on the cover photo, this description will give them more information. Add a call to action button. Once your cover photo is in place, don't forget that you can add what we call a call to action button to appear directly underneath your cover photo. Options for this button include once you've selected the appropriate button, be sure to link it to the website or web page that you want to redirect them to. For example, if I'm a professional hairdresser, I would want to add the Book Now button and then redirect it to whatever online scheduling tool that I use to book my appointments. So remember, you can get a lot more out of your Facebook cover photo by simply deciding what you want the purpose of your cover photo to be, redesigning your cover photo image to highlight your purpose, and then adding a call to action button to easily connect people for more information. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button. Also, if you want more marketing tips, tools, and tactics for your business or freebies, visit my website at theseasonedmarketer.com. Now, don't forget to tune in next Monday as I'll walk you through the steps on how to physically design an engaging Facebook cover photo for free.